Hi guys! Do you know somebody who is a health nut and won't eat their birthday cake? Then you can try this celery cake, or cake that looks like celery. Okay, so for this cake, I have a rectangular cake here. It doesn't really matter what size you want to make it. I have my model, my celery. What is it called? A celery what? Celery stalk. So this is what I'm going to try to recreate. So I'm going to start putting some buttercream. I'm going to cut it in half. It's a rectangular shape. I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to fill it with buttercream. I'm going to put it together. I'm going to start carving it to look like the celery stalk. And then we're going to worry about the leaves and the fondant and all the decorations. So let's do this. I will not mess it up. Stop saying that, guys. That looks like celery, right? That's it. That's it. Now it's going to the fridge. Cake just came out of the fridge. It should be nice and cool and ready for me to start cutting it. So I'm using my model and I'm just gonna have fun with it. I'm gonna try to make it look like that. Here we go. All right, my cake is in the fridge and I'm gonna work on my fondant. I want to get this to celery color. So I started working on it and I have some moss green and some juniper green, and I'm gonna mix a little bit of each one and a little bit more white, and I'm gonna do this really cool trick to get it to fade from whiter to darker. All right, I'm gonna transfer this. I don't know why I didn't do this before, but I'm gonna do it now. It was the only leaf I had and I ruined it. Okay guys, this is it, the celery cake. So if you don't want to feel guilty about eating your cake, make a celery cake. I think it came out really great. I added all these details in between the stalks of celery, and then I had a little bit of these things left over, so I just chopped them up and I put them on the board. It's a celery cake. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like my video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to keep seeing more videos like this one. Thanks.
And now we
You are the king of those, huh? You come up with some